Here's the boots. AutoZone forgot to call me, so I had to go see what's up. Here's the part number. I'm gonna start with the back first. I apply that material. I applied the grease connector on both ends of that spring, and I'm doing it like so, just like that. Then I'm pushing it in like so, making sure it's always flush. There you go. Gotta be flush. Make sure they're flush all the way down. There you go. Gotta put the screws in now. $16 screws all together. 8 and 8. By the way, the plug boost cost me about $40. I took that thing out again. I'm noticing that this one's black, goes in the back. That one's gray, goes in the front. And I just noticed a little crack there. Hopefully it ain't causing an issue. There you go. To the back first. I lost 32 of these. Like that. Put in there. Shoot all the way in. Shit. It's all the way in. There you go. All the way flush. You see the spring in there. Now put that on. You say that's a coil, man. He's not too happy about that crack. And I don't have the cash for that. I imagine it'd be worth a lot of money. Well, I got those on. I'm missing 2 because I lost them. And this one's all rusted, so I'm gonna see if I can replace it.